Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Viewers. In this video, we will be solving a projections of straight lines problem using AutoCAD. The problem is a line AB 50 mm long has its end A in both the HP and VP. It is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to the VP. Draw its projections. I am creating two layers. Already default layer is there, 0 layer, and one more layer I am creating using this new layer command. The layer name I am using thin, color is white, line type continuous, and line weight I am going to take 0.13. Click OK. And one more layer, its name is thick for bold lines or thick lines. The line color white only and line type continuous. Line weight I am taking here as 0.3. Okay, this is for bold lines. Click OK and close this window. Okay, yeah. Now draw the XY line first. Give the names for this line X and Y. So at this end, the text height I am taking 3 and text direction 0 angle, right? Its name is X here, and at this end this is Y. Okay, click outside and press escape. Now understand the question clearly. Line AB, the length, true length is 50 mm. Okay, and the A position is given, that is on HP and on VP. On HP and on VP means it is possible at the intersection line, that is reference line, XY line. So the front view and top view of the end A comes on reference line. Okay, so there at the suitable place I am marking the point A, front view and top view. So to mark the point I am going to define the point style P type or point type. So I am using this. Okay, and point size I'm taking 1. Set size in absolute units. Click OK. Right, now mark a point at convenient place. Here I am marking the point. This is a point. Okay, the point name is text height 3 0. This is point A dash, small a dash, and also it is point A in the top view. Okay, right. Now the line is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP. So the angle with respect to horizontal plane can be seen in the front view. In the first angle projection, the front view comes above XY line, and the condition with respect to VP can be seen in the top view. The top view comes below XY line in the first angle projection. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line here. So I'm selecting the line command and I'm changing the layer to thin. First I'm drawing the thin lines. Okay, starting from point A. See here, that is A dash, both are same points. Switch off the ortho. Right, now give the length of line given 50 mm in the question, right? So the length of line is 50 mm. Press tab. Now they give the inclination with respect to HP, that is with respect to XY line in the front view, that is 30 degrees. Press enter. Okay, escape. Mark the point at this end point. This is the intermediate position of the line AB in front view. Okay, the point name comes here as, copy this A base point I'm selecting somewhere here conveniently, and this point name is B1 dash, B1 dash, intermediate position of the line in front view. Okay, the inclination you can see here, angular dimension between this line and XY line, that is equal to 30 mm. Fine, yeah. Also draw the top view. To draw the top view, the line AB is inclined at 45 degrees to the VP. This 45 degrees can be seen in the top view. So again select the line, starting from point A in downward direction. The length of line is 50 mm. Press tab. The angle is given as 45. Press enter. Okay, right. Escape and give the point here at this point. Okay, this point name is the intermediate position of the line AB in top view. So its name comes as B2. Okay, copy this. I am selecting, so I am placing here, right, and edit as B2. Done. Top view, no dash comes, right. Next, we got the front view of the line A dash B1 dash. Draw its top view also. To draw the top view, draw the projector from B1 dash up to this XY line, since the point A also on XY line. Okay, to draw the line up to XY line, in the object snap, check the perpendicular. Okay, click outside. Now see, here it is showing the green color perpendicular symbol. Then click. Done. Escape. This point name is B1. Okay, select this and place here. This point name is B1. So B1 dash here, its top view B1. Okay, there, mark a point. Okay, fine. Similarly, A B2 line is there in the top view. Draw its front view. To draw the front view, already point A front view we know here as A dash. B2 front view we need to draw up to XY line, right? Yeah, this intersection point is B2 dash. Copy this and paste here. This is B2 dash. Fine. Escape. Yeah, now draw the locus line at B1 dash and B2 parallel to XY. So I'm using copy command, selecting this line, enter, selecting at this point and moving here. Okay, and also one more line, I'm moving to B2. These two new lines are the locus lines. Okay, the final position of the end B of this line AB will be on this locus line only. Okay, in the front view as well as in the top view, right? Now A dash B2 dash length as radius, A dash as center. Strike the arc to cut this locus line. So for that I'm using arc start center end method. This is my start point B2 dash and center point is A dash and up to this locus line. Clear? Now this intersection point is the final position of point B. So copy this or anything and edit this as point B dash. Done. The final position. Okay, also draw a line to join A dash and B dash. This is the final position of AB line in the front view. Okay. Similarly, AB1 as radius, A as center. Strike the arc to cut this locus line that is passing through point B2. Okay. Same arc method, start center end, B1 as start point, A as center. Press and hold the control button to get the arc in clockwise direction. Otherwise the arc comes in counterclockwise direction. We need in clockwise direction, right? So for that, press and hold the control button and draw the arc. So you'll get an intersection point. So mark there a point. Its name is B. Copy this and place here. Edit to B. Okay. Now draw the projector from B1 dash. It should match with B exactly. Then only your answer is correct. Okay. It is connecting. The projector is perpendicular to XY line. This is fine. Now draw a line to join this A, B. This is the final position of the line AB in top view. A dash B dash is the front view projection and AB is the top view projection of the line AB. Done. Now give the dimensions. So angular dimension, this is the true length with true length line, sorry, true inclination with true length line, that is 45 degrees, which is given in the question. And also line length, select the line and keep somewhere here. Okay, this is the length of line. Okay. Now trim this line, extra locus line. Fine. Yeah. So finally, the A dash, B dash and AB should be thick, right? Select these lines and change the layer to thick. Got it? To see the line weight on the screen now, use the command line weight, LINEWIGHT, press enter. Check this display line weight, click OK. Now see, this is the final answer. I hope this video made the concept clear and gave you confidence to draw the similar problem answers in engineering drawing using AutoCAD. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel SK Eduvers for more drawing solutions and AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.